After I got both the Nightmare Before Christmas and the Christmas BrickHeadz set, I had an idea to have Jack Skellington steal the BrickHeadz Santa Claus's suit to become Sandy Claus. And to do this, I'm only going to use the bricks found within the Jack Skellington and Santa Claus BrickHeadz to make the transformation. So the first thing we have to do is, unfortunately, rip off Santa's head and Jack Skellington's head, which seems to be a common theme with these BrickHeadz. And then we just put Jack Skellington's head on top of Santa's body, and he's got the suit. And now for the rest of this build, we're going to start tearing Santa apart and using his little pieces to complete the Sandy Claus outfit. The next step in this process is to rip off Santa's hat. And once you rip off Santa's hat, with no body, the head just falls apart. Now this head is more apart than what's going to happen to you because I've kind of got the pieces ready to go to speed up this tutorial. So if you want, you can pause this video or just watch it through, but I want to keep it kind of short for people. So we've got the hat with the 4x4 red plate. We're going to put it on top of Jack's 4x4 white plate, and that white plate is going to kind of act as like the white fabric that goes around the bottom of Santa's hat. So there we've got the completed hat. The next thing we have to do is we're going to take off that gold belt buckle, that 1x2 tile that acts as a gold belt buckle, and once we get that off with our little fingers there, we're going to get a 1x2 white plate and put it right there where the belt buckle was. Now we're going to start working on the beard. And to get the beard, the nice thing is when you take Santa apart, this beard comes off really easily. The whole beard just comes right off of Santa like that. But we have to do some modifications to it to make it fit our Jack Skellington Sandy Claus outfit. And what we're going to do is we're going to get these 1x2 corner plates. And what we're going to do is you're going to take one of those studs and put it on the back top corner of our beard. So I'm going to show you from this angle so you can kind of see where it goes in on the back. And then the other side, same thing. I'm just giving you a little different angle here. One stud, top corner right by the mustache part of the beard. So there we have it. Next, we're going to get these 1x4 curved slopes with no studs in the center. You're going to put those no studs in the center, go over those two studs that are exposed. So we're just going to pop it right here in the center of those exposed plates. Comes off very easily, but I can put it back on and it will be secure when we finish. Now I'm going to give you another angle from the other side. You can kind of see there's the opened end in the middle. Just stick it onto that plate like this, and our beard is ready to stick on Jack Skellington. And the way we do that is the bottom holes here, the very bottom of the beard, is going to go where that 1x2 belt buckle used to be. So we put it right here, and that way the whole beard hangs a little bit low on Jack Skellington. You've got that little space there because, as you know, if you've watched that cartoon, that beard did not fit his face correctly. So I really love that kind of effect it gives by lowering the beard and putting it on where the belt buckle used to be. But here we have a completed Jack Skellington Sandy Claus. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.